While the plane was taking off, transaction successful. One more freaking hour left, bro. When we have a flight? When there's a flight, Filipino time does not exist. The bag is from Donut. And this one is from Uniqlo. This is from Shopee. This one's from Uniqlo. Oh my god, look at the airplanes. You know what? I should be like a faceless YouTuber. You know those vloggers that don't show their faces on the internet? Yeah. Cause sometimes I look busted, crusted, and disgusted. That's like not sometimes actually. That's 80% of the time. So might as well do some faceless vlogs. But just know that it's me. Overconsumption. They did a freaking collab. So basically, I ordered a chai tea latte venti. They made it quick, but I also ordered a fusilli baked salmon pasta. Why did they take it? It took them so long. What is taking them so long? You only had to microwave it. Making the chai tea latte would take you much longer than microwaving this. Y'all, this is what my haters don't get to see every year. Another year, another trip. I have the window seat. Can't even see what's going on. There we go. Aesthetic. I did not sleep at all last night, y'all. I'm telling you guys. While the plane was taking off, I was literally rocking back and forth like, that's how tired I am. So yeah, there's nobody beside me, thank God. Please don't come here. This is my freaking bro. Malaysian Airlines, you better sponsor me. I'm gonna give a review. I love Malaysian Airlines. I think it's my 13th time riding Malaysia Airlines, so give them your money. They deserve it, okay? Look at the view. Oh! The View, Sunny Hostin, hello, Joy Behar, Anna Navarro, Whoopi Goldberg. Okay, hey guys, so I just ordered vegetarian rice. I don't know what it looks like, but is it just rice or does it have any side dishes or something? I don't know. She just mentioned vegetarian rice. Like, what? Am I gonna eat it plainly? I don't know about that. But anyways, I also ordered apple juice. I'm shivering. So these are the salted peanuts. Haven't had them in a long freaking time. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. But it's not cold. I am at KLCC Twin Towers. I'm gonna buy something from Chanel or Dior or both. I don't know yet. Y'all, I missed this! I'm right in front of the Twin Towers. Not the one in New York, the one in Malaysia. Hello! I look busted, crusted, disgusted. We're gonna go to Pavilion Mall in Bukit Bintang. I'm excited to get my laptop tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. That's the update. It's day 2. We're at the Paul restaurant. I've already eaten my meal because I'm hungry, but I'll just insert a picture over here. That's my snack of the day, and I'm drinking this big Tatarik. Toothbrush holders. Oh my god, I might need this. Hold on. Because I use an electric toothbrush. I don't like using normal toothbrushes. Actually, never mind. Mine is from Colgate, so this might not fit. We're not gonna buy that. And also, I'm buying 2 of those socks. I'm buying the dark gray one and the mustard yellow one because my socks are getting too small. I don't know why, but it keeps on coming off my feet, so I don't like that. I've already bought 10 refills, 10 pen refills over there. Look at that, that's what I like. 0.5 black pen. And I'm not buying the actual pens because I already have the pen bodies. That's very wasteful. So far so good. Still have a lot of money left. Y'all, this is the freaking restaurant I showed Speed was in. That's insane. I heard he did like a backflip over here. Y'all, what's the hype of this freaking restaurant anyway? Oh my god, it's raining. I should do like a time lapse of this moment. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. There we go. I'm filming this on my iPhone because my camera is only for photography purposes. I can't vlog with my camera because it is so goddamn heavy. To live like 5 minutes away from the Petronas Twin Towers. The Petronas Twin Towers are over there. There we go. Yeah. I can literally just walk over there from my condominium. We're back at TRX. It's been a good year, y'all. Vuitton. My favorite brand. I'm a Dior girl. Forever. Bulgari. Tiffany and Co. Wow, look at that. There's a lot going on over here. Backache. Girl, what is that? Is it for the back? There is a coach tree over there. This area is giving airport. God, there's a Pop Mart here. I did not know that. We're getting milk tea at Koi the. Koi the. Find my laptop over here. This is a big Apple store. Look at that. This is the exact laptop that I want. It's 13-inch MacBook Air. It feels lightweight. It has my fingerprints on. All of your dream brands in one freaking row. Aunties, look at this Dior. Ooh. Only wearing slippers. Could have worn shoes, but I don't feel like it. I'm sorry. I just hit a kid. Oh my god. Transaction successful. This is for my sister, not for me. But I must tell you guys what happened. So we were walking, right, and there was this man. He's tall, so he did this and said hello to me in a deep voice, and I'm like, hello, who are you? Are you were you my classmate over here in Malaysia and you just somehow remember how I look like? Girl, I look very different right now compared to me when I was 8 years old, so I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Hello? Like, are you crazy? This is my freaking outfit. I'm only wearing slippers because I thought we're not gonna go outside. I was just chilling at 7-Eleven, but no. We have another side quest. Buying a little Chanel perfume. I think it's like 30 ml or something. Oh my god, why is it flickering? Chanel. Chanel.
You have discount code?
No, that's sad. Chanel. Action successful, y'all. It's a mini perfume.